Electric tricycles are becoming a practical solution for more people in 2025. Whether it's seniors looking for added stability, commuters needing reliable transportation, or anyone who prefers a more balanced ride, e-trikes are filling the gap between comfort and convenience. In this video, we're covering 6 of the best electric tricycles available right now. Each one offers something a little different, whether it's cargo space, riding range, or compact storage, so you can find the right fit for your lifestyle. We've included links to each model mentioned in the description below. Number 6. Sixthreezero Broader Lineup. If comfort and style matter just as much as performance, Sixthreezero's range of electric tricycles is worth a look. Known for their California cruiser designs, this brand puts rider comfort front and center. Their electric trikes have a relaxed, approachable feel, making them ideal for slow rides through neighborhoods, boardwalks, or parks. The lineup includes models like the EvryJourney Electric Tricycle, Easy Transit Folding Trike, and Body Ease Electric Trike. While they each bring slight variations in frame design and features, they all share a low-step frame, upright handlebars, and a wide saddle that supports a more ergonomic posture. That's especially helpful for riders with back or joint concerns. Motor sizes range from 250 watt to 750 watt, depending on the model. Most are front hub or mid-drive systems paired with 36 volt or 48 volt batteries, delivering up to 40 miles of range on pedal assist. You'll also find both pedal assist and throttle controls on each model, so you can ride how you want. Each trike is equipped with a spacious rear cargo basket, stable 24-inch or 26-inch wheels, and a comfortable upright seating position. These features make them easy to ride for long periods without strain. They aren't built for steep hills or fast speeds, and their frames are better suited to paved paths than gravel or off-road terrain. But for casual riders who value comfort and style, they check a lot of boxes. Overall, Sixthreezero's e-trike catalog is a strong pick for riders who prioritize ease, comfort, and a low-stress riding experience. Number 5. Pedego Fat Tire Trike. If you're looking for a trike that can handle more than just smooth pavement, the Pedego Fat Tire Trike brings a lot to the table. It's built for stability and traction with extra-wide tires and a powerful motor that gives it a confident feel on a variety of surfaces. At the core is a 500-watt geared hub motor paired with a 48-volt 15Ah battery. Depending on how much pedal assist you use and the terrain you're riding, it can reach up to 50 miles on a single charge. The motor delivers steady power, which is especially helpful when starting from a stop or heading up a gentle incline. Its 4-inch wide fat tires smooth out cracks, bumps, and gravel, giving you better control on uneven ground. The step-through aluminum frame makes it easy to get on and off, and the riding position is upright and balanced. You also get a sturdy rear cargo platform, great for loading gear, groceries, or even a pet carrier. The onboard LCD display shows key information like speed, battery level, trip distance, and assist level, all in a clear, easy-to-read format. This trike shines on trails, grassy parks, or quiet backroads. It's ideal for riders who need more traction and stability, especially in areas where the pavement ends. Its main trade-off is size. The frame is large and not very portable. Storage might be a challenge if space is limited, and lifting it into a vehicle isn't easy. Still, for riders who want comfort, range, and a stable ride across different surfaces, the Pedego Fat Tire Trike delivers where it counts. Number 4. Sixthreezero EvryJourney Electric Trike. The EvryJourney Electric Trike from Sixthreezero is one of the brand's most approachable and easygoing models. It combines comfort, simple design, and just enough power to handle everyday riding without overcomplicating things. At the heart of this trike is a 250-watt front hub motor paired with a 36-volt battery discreetly mounted behind the seat. You can expect up to 35 miles of range on pedal assist, making it a good choice for daily errands, local commuting, or scenic rides around town. The frame is step-through, which helps with easy mounting and dismounting, especially for riders with limited mobility. It also features forward pedaling geometry, which positions the rider in a more relaxed stance with legs extended slightly forward. Combined with the ergonomic handlebars and wide, cushioned saddle with back support, the setup feels natural and comfortable right from the first ride. This model comes with a 7-speed Shimano gear system, a rear basket, and both pedal assist and throttle functions. Controls are minimal and intuitive, with a basic display for assist level and battery life. The overall style is understated, with matte finishes and a clean frame that doesn't scream electric. It's aimed at riders who want quiet performance and smooth cruising without unnecessary bulk or tech overload. It's not built for climbing steep hills or carrying heavy cargo. The motor is more for gentle assistance than raw power. But if you're mostly riding on flat ground or paved trails, this trike gets the job done with minimal effort. For relaxed urban cruising and comfort-focused daily use, the EvryJourney Electric Trike hits a sweet spot. Number 3. Meetone Breeze. The Meetone Breeze is gaining attention in 2025 as a practical option for riders who need a little more utility without jumping into commercial-grade cargo trikes. It strikes a balance between power, range, and everyday usefulness, making it a strong pick for families and local delivery riders. At its core is the 750-watt rear hub motor, offering the torque needed to handle extra weight without lag. It's matched with a dual battery setup, a 48-volt 14A primary and an optional 48-volt 10AH secondary, giving riders a total range of up to 70 miles when both batteries are in use. The cargo space is a standout. With an oversized rear platform and optional basket attachments, there's room for groceries, school bags, or even a child's seat. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 450 pounds total, so it's built to handle serious loads. You get 5 levels of pedal assist, along with a thumb throttle for when you want to coast without pedaling. The backlit LCD display tracks speed, distance, and assist level at a glance. A front suspension fork smooths out bumps, and the wide saddle keeps longer rides comfortable. This trike is best suited for short-range errands, kid drop-offs, or anyone who needs reliable hauling around town. It's especially useful in flatter areas where maneuverability matters more than agility. It does have a larger turning radius, and the frame is on the heavier side, so tight indoor storage could be tricky. But for what it offers in strength and function, the Meetone Breeze stands out as a dependable workhorse for everyday needs. Number 2. Mooncool TK1. The Mooncool TK1 stands out as one of the most accessible commuter e-trikes in its class, especially for riders looking to stay under the $2,000 mark. It's designed with day-to-day use in mind and manages to pack in a lot of practical features without inflating the price. This model runs on a 350-watt front hub motor paired with a 36-volt 13A battery. You'll get around 30 to 40 miles of range depending on terrain and assist level. It supports 5 levels of pedal assist along with a twist throttle, offering flexibility whether you prefer to pedal or let the motor handle things. The step-through aluminum frame keeps mounting easy, while 24-inch puncture-resistant tires offer added stability and durability for city streets and bike lanes. Despite its price point, the TK1 includes thoughtful features like an LED headlight, bell, full fenders, and a rear cargo rack for bags or groceries. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The spring-loaded saddle helps absorb shocks, and the adjustable handlebars allow riders to fine-tune their position. It's a commuter trike that feels ready right out of the box. For safety, the TK1 comes with mechanical disc brakes and reflective strips on the wheels, helpful for low-light riding. One standout feature at this price is the inclusion of a rear differential, which helps maintain better traction and handling on turns. It's not built for carrying heavy loads or tackling steep hills, but for flat city terrain and daily errands, the Mooncool TK1 offers a reliable, low-fuss option. Overall, it's a strong choice for budget-conscious riders who still want comfort, range, and essential features without compromise. Number 1. Lectric XP Trike. Topping the list for 2025 is the Lectric XP Trike, a model that's quickly become a favorite among riders, forums, and e-bike communities alike. Released recently, it's already made a name for itself as one of the most complete and user-friendly trikes on the market, especially for the price. This trike runs on a 500-watt rear hub motor with a peak output of 750 watt, providing enough power for daily commutes and moderate hills. It's paired with a 48-volt 14A battery, offering a range of up to 60 miles depending on how much pedal assist you use. The folding frame is the standout here. For a trike with this much power and utility, the ability to collapse it down for easy storage or transport makes it a practical choice for apartment dwellers or anyone short on garage space. You get 20-inch fat tires, which give the trike great grip and balance on pavement, gravel paths, or slightly uneven surfaces. The single-speed setup keeps things simple, while the smart torque sensor adjusts assist levels based on how hard you're pedaling. No constant fiddling required. The control panel is backlit and easy to read with large buttons that keep navigation straightforward. For safety, it includes front and rear disc brakes, a parking brake, and built-in reflectors. The package also comes with both front and rear cargo racks, ready for bags, groceries, or gear. Comfort is covered with a padded seat, low standover height, and upright handlebars that suit a wide range of riders. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just want a feature-rich trike that's easy to store, the Lectric XP Trike checks all the right boxes. Electric tricycles are continuing to evolve, offering more options for comfort, cargo hauling, and daily commuting. Whether you're focused on range, frame design, storage, or power, there's a model that fits your needs. All 6 trikes in this list bring something different to the table. You'll find product links down in the description. Let us know in the comments which one you're considering, or if you already own a trike you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.